Hello there, and welcome to the SPFx development model video course. And I am Oleg Rumyantsev, and I will be your guide throughout these videos. This course serves as a gateway to the Sharepoint framework development model. We will cover the basics of operation in this framework, as well as practical approaches to developing several types of possible functionalities. We will also be covering the deployment practices and solution upgrading. A few words about Sharepoint framework inception in general. Wide adoption of Office 365 and SPO called for reinvention of client-side development model from the Sharepoint product team. They stopped using the server-side model for developing out-of-the-box functionality because this was no longer sustainable in the Sharepoint online multi-tenancies, as well as being outdated in technology sense. SPFx emerged as a natural next step for client-side development, and it is used both by the in-house product team as well as wider development community, and being updated on the regular basis by both of them. Now, allow me to demonstrate some of the types of web parts you as a developer would be able to create using this SPFx framework. Those web parts will then be available to be included in both modern Sharepoint pages and classic Sharepoint pages. You could include stuff like very visual and engaging carousels and visually appealing presentations of data, like the news carousel. Or you can allow the editors of the content to use another type of what you see is what you get editing. For example, you can create a web part which will parse a markdown language syntax and then translate that into the HTML, like that. The first one, SPFx Fundamentals, will introduce the base operational principles behind this framework, such as completely new tool stack and a way of working with your solution. In the section number 2, we'll show you how you can create your own SPFx-based client web part. In section 3, we'll cover a newest addition to the SPFx framework called extensions, which can be viewed as an analogs of JS link and other user interface customizations in the modern UI pages. And in section 4, we will cover possible deployment scenarios, such as deploying your solution assets to Office 365 content delivery network, as well as Azure CDN. We'll finish the course by looking at the possible versioning scenarios in your SPFx solution and how Node.js versioning can be synchronized with the Sharepoint expected versioning. Before taking this course, it is suggested that you would acquaint yourself with basic Sharepoint platform capabilities. An understanding of Sharepoint feature framework model fundamentals will also be an advantage. And lastly, basic familiarity with TypeScript language will help you understand the samples a little bit faster and better. I hope you have a good time viewing this video course, and by the end of it you will gain some knowledge and insights into the SPFx framework development. Enjoy!